Welcome. In today's video, we're going to go over how to turn on automatic story archiving on Facebook step by step. This feature is perfect for keeping all your favorite stories saved so you can look back at them later, even after they disappear from your profile. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to enable story archiving. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is your main menu. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings. This will take you to a page with all of your account options and preferences. From here, look for the section called Audience and Visibility. Under that section, tap on Stories. This part controls everything related to the stories you post, like who can see them and how they're saved. Now, find the option that says Archiving Your Stories. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn it on. This will activate automatic story archiving, meaning every story you post will now be saved privately in your archive once it disappears from public view. When archiving is on, you can revisit your stories anytime, rewatch those moments, or even repost them later. They're visible only to you, making it a safe and convenient way to store your content. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on archiving for your Facebook stories. It's a simple setting that can save a lot of memories and make managing your posts easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might need a little help finding this feature. Thanks for watching.